Hi guys, and welcome to Sugarland Animal Hospital. I'm Dr. Mike and I'm here with Joan today, and we have Paris, who is a Havanese, a very special toy breed, and Paris is the #1 rising star in the toy breed section nationally. So this is Australian champion sitting right here visiting us today. She's a little bit itchy for some unknown reason that we're going to investigate, but she's been a real treat to see today, and we're very excited that she's come to visit us today at Sugarland.